In this video, we'll show you how to expand your battery capacity for Nature's Generator MyGrid 10K so you can double the runtime for your system. Let's identify the main components: the generator, the Nature's Generator MyGrid 10K battery, and the extra battery. Next, connect the battery cables. Remember, black is negative and red is positive. Make sure each cable is securely connected to the correct terminal. Now, connect the communication cable. Plug it from the out port of the existing battery into the in port of the added battery. You've successfully expanded your Nature's Generator MyGrid 10K battery. One additional battery doubles your energy storage. You can add more batteries if you want. The additional batteries give you longer runtime and greater peace of mind when you need power. Thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips, or follow us on social media at Nature's Generator. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.